All right, here we are in Adobe Photoshop, and I'm going to show you what's going on with an indexed color file. You'll see over your layers palette, you got index, it's locked. You see it up here, index, and you can't do filters, right? Because it's in a limited color mode. So I'm going to show you how to change it back real quick. Just go to image mode. You're going to owe me a like for this one. RGB color, and now you should have your filters back, your effects are back because they were gone. Over here, we're on another one. See, can't do that, can't do that. So that's what it is. It's a mode. And what index color is it's telling Photoshop there's only 256 colors we can work with here. So every pixel is going to be one of these 256. You can see how this like ombre, like gradient here is going from yellow to orange, but it's not smooth. See that? That's because the colors are just going from this index of colors that a GIF file would use. Is primarily what you're doing there. But anyways, that's it. I hope that helped. If it did, let me know in the comments.